Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to delete a background in Photoshop. First, open your desired image. Locate the Quick Selection tool in your toolbar, usually found on the left side. Click and drag your mouse over the background area you wish to remove. Photoshop will intelligently try to select similar pixels. You can refine your selection by holding Alt or Option to subtract areas, or Shift to add more, ensuring a precise initial outline. Once your initial selection is made, click the Select and Mask button in the Options bar at the top. This opens a dedicated workspace. Here, use the Refine Edge brush to gently paint over complex areas like hair, allowing Photoshop to intelligently detect and refine those edges. You can also adjust the Shift Edge slider by a few percentage points to fine-tune the boundary, then output to a new layer with a layer mask. Another incredibly powerful method is using the Object Selection tool. Simply select it from your toolbar, then draw a rough rectangle or lasso around the main subject you want to keep. Photoshop's artificial intelligence will then automatically detect and select that object for you, often with remarkable accuracy. Once the object is selected, invert the selection to target the background, making it ready for removal with just one click. After refining your selection and removing the background, it's crucial to perform a final check. Zoom in closely to ensure no stray pixels or unwanted fringes remain around your subject. Once satisfied, save your image. To maintain the transparency, always save your file as a PNG. This format supports transparency, ensuring your newly isolated subject can be placed seamlessly onto any new background you choose, completing your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.